How much time do you spend watching TV each week? I'll bet it's a lot less than a few years ago. With pretty much every country spending more and more time online each year, startups want a slice of the entertainment action that has been dominated by TV for more than half a century. Online quizzes are a great example of this. HQ Trivia has taken the thrill and cheesy drama of a Saturday night game show, thrown in a bit of pub quiz, and made it interactive in an app that gives you a chance to win real money. Similar apps are popping up across Asia. In Thailand, Penya has copied the fun and the basic look of HQ Trivia and quickly became one of the nation's top 50 apps. Indeed, Thailand is an apt market for this because its people are addicted to the web like nowhere else. Thais spend an average of 9 hours and 36 minutes online each day, way above the global average 6 hours. Entertainment apps will soon come in all shapes and sizes. According to Jeremy Liu, a partner at Lightspeed Venture Partners and investor in HQ Trivia, every genre of TV will have a digitally native analog. So what we've seen thus far, like the rise of live streaming apps such as Bigo Live and BeLive, are just baby steps in a march toward an almost totally online future. But how are entertainment apps going to make money? Well, there are multiple options. Quiz apps can pull in advertising cash either from ad breaks or product placement. HQ Trivia has already tried the second option, allowing sponsors to do a show takeover like Warner Brothers did to promote a bunch of its movies. Says Camille Streichars, digital content coordinator of the Chicago Bulls, "If I were a sponsor, I'd definitely put dollars behind HQ over TV, especially if done well. Much more quality attention." In Southeast Asia, there should be plenty of ad cash for new entertainment startups. While the region saw just $836 million in mobile ad spending in 2017, that's set to rocket to $2 billion by 2020. And there are other ways to pull in cash. Makers of top-quality content like Netflix, iFlix, and Hook can simply charge subscriptions. Meanwhile, live stream apps will continue to take a cut from in-app purchases that viewers make.